Okay, so EN54 standard is obviously a hot topic at the show this year. Can you explain a little bit the implications of the standard for you as a manufacturer and for your customers?
Yeah, for us as TUA is a very topic because it's a new standard in the audio industry, which we have to fulfill by product requirements, and we could manage to get a certification for a main system, as well for the power supplies, and even for two speakers. It was possible before end of the coexistence phase, 1 year in advance. So basically every manufacturer has to make some products according to the EN standard until March 2011. So which means if we want to install products and voice evacuation systems, it must fulfill.
So you have now a complete system end-to-end compliant with the standard. Can you tell me a bit about the components? What are the available products that are compliant with EN54?
Okay, we have, let's say, components like a system manager, which is including fireman's microphone, digital voice message, line monitoring, all these things, expansion units, microphones, standard microphones. We have a fireman's microphone, which must be specially monitored. Yeah. In addition, we have also emergency power supply, which is, let's say, on the other side, and also speakers, two kind of speakers, a standard ceiling speaker and a metal box speaker, which is complying to all EN54 standards.
The standard obviously places quite a lot of requirements upon you to make the products in that way. Is this going to limit the number of products that you offer that are compliant? Will you reduce the choice?
Basically, we as a manufacturer try to make all our voice alarm products certified. So we start from the small to the medium up to the network system. I think for the manufacturing of speakers, it will give some limitations because some requirements are not easy to fulfill. So we have to make more than 17 tests, which is sometimes really have a shock. Environmental tests like humidity, 90% humidity, about 20 days and so on, which is for a speaker manufacturer not so easy because we're talking about paper membranes, not plastic.
And for the customers, obviously there is maybe a small increase in price or due to the testing. Have they been accepting of the price increase? Has it caused problems with customers?
Of course, there will be a quite price increase a little bit because it's quite costly tests. It takes a long time. You can imagine sometimes half a year, 1 year testing. So this is, if you go to a test laboratory, it costs more money. Of course, we try to minimize the cost, but there will be a small increase, definitely. But there is no choice to escape. If we want to enter the market of the voice alarm systems, we have to do. That's all.
And do you think you'll see less companies entering the market, or do you think some companies may leave this market as a result? What's your opinion?
I think, let's say, in the beginning stage, maybe only the bigger companies can expend the money, because we're talking about huge money, not about peanuts. And of course, there's some opportunities to earn back the money if you are one of the first, like we, at the moment. A complete system, it's very, let's say, some will enter, but I think some are leaving. Small companies cannot make all these testings.